Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on computer. To begin your Call of Duty journey, first, verify your computer meets the game's system requirements, typically needing at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable graphics card for optimal performance. Then, download the game client from its official platform, which is usually a 20 to 30 GB download. Once installed, simply create a new account or log in with an existing one to dive into the action. Understanding your controls is crucial for success. You'll primarily use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, navigating the battlefield with precision. Your mouse controls aiming and looking, offering fluid camera movement. Left-click fires your weapon, while right-click allows you to aim down sights for increased accuracy. Remember to press the R key to reload when your magazine is empty and the spacebar to jump over obstacles. Call of Duty offers a variety of exciting game modes to explore. In Team Deathmatch, your primary goal is to eliminate enemy players, working with your team to reach a score limit, often 75 or 100 eliminations. Domination challenges you to capture and hold 3 key objectives across the map, earning points for each one controlled. Experiment with different modes to find your preferred style of play and contribute to your team's victory. To enhance your gameplay, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training modes to refine your aim and quick reactions. Experiment with your mouse sensitivity and keybinds to find a setup that feels most comfortable and responsive for you. Understanding each map's layout, including common pathways and power positions, will give you a significant strategic advantage over opponents. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.